Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cat grass seeds is probably one of the most sought-after products for cat owners who want to provide their furry friends with a healthy and safe snack. And growing your own cat grass indoors is easier than you think. With the right seeds and a little care, you can ensure a continuous supply of fresh, green grass for your cat to enjoy, leading to a happier and healthier feline companion. This video will guide you through selecting the best cat grass seeds for indoor growing, covering key factors to consider, and ensuring a successful harvest. Number 5. Cat Lady's Cat Grass Kit. It's a nutritious blend of wheatgrass, oat, barley, and rye. It provides essential nutrients and fiber for healthy digestion and hairball control. Simply add a soil disc, water, and seeds. Watch it sprout in just 4 to 7 days. Easy instructions are included for effortless growing. It's organic, GMO-free, and a safe alternative to toxic houseplants. It keeps your cat happy and your home looking its best. It makes a wonderful gift for any cat lover. It's a thoughtful present that promotes a healthy and happy cat. Each kit includes 3 organic soil discs, 3 seed packets, 3 BPA-free containers, and easy-to-follow instructions. Everything you need to get started. What we like. It comes in a convenient 3-pack, perfect for multiple cats or for replacing your grass regularly. The organic seeds ensure a healthy treat for your furry friend. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to grow cat grass, this is the kit for you. What people say. Super easy and fast to do. My cats love it and it's fast to grow. The grass grows amazingly. Doesn't smell at all and it's good quality grass for your cats. I've tried different cat grass growing kits with varying levels of success. I kid you not, this kit grew unbelievably quickly. Within a week there were hardy roots filling the entire pot and about 4 inches of growth. Best cat grass you can buy. There are 3 of these so they will last you for a while if you take care of the grass. Also very easy to plant and just watch the grass grow with minimal interaction. Number 4. Cat Lady's Cat Grass Kit. Give your cat the gift of healthy digestion and a tasty treat with our organic cat grass. It's packed with nutrients and fiber, making it the perfect addition to your cat's diet. This blend of wheatgrass, oat, barley, and rye is organic and GMO-free, providing essential nutrients and promoting healthy hairball control. It's a natural and healthy way to support your cat's well-being. Simply add a soil disc, water, and seeds, and watch it grow. Our easy-to-follow instructions will guide you every step of the way. You'll see results in just 4 to 7 days. It's not just good for your cat, it also helps protect your houseplants. This kit provides a safe and delicious alternative to potentially harmful houseplants. Our coconut coir discs are a sustainable alternative to peat moss, providing superior water and nutrient retention for healthy growth. It's perfect for growing a variety of plants, including cat grass. Each kit includes 3 seed packages, 3 planting discs, and our love. Everything you need to grow a thriving cat grass garden for your feline friend. What we like. This refill kit is perfect if you already have the containers. It uses organic seeds and coconut coir, a sustainable and high-quality growing medium. If you are looking for a sustainable and economical way to keep your cat grass supply going, this is the best choice. What people say. It's super simple. Wash out the mug, mix the little soil pallet with 6 ounces of warm water, put it in the mug except a bit to cover over the seeds. Then I add the pre-measured pack of seeds, sprinkle the remaining soil over the top, and loosely cover with plastic wrap and place under a table in my orchid room. In a couple of days, the new grass is sprouting up. Reliable seeds that always grow and the dirt is so clean and free of any impurities. My cats love this, and it grows easy in about 2 weeks. Had some seeds from this same brand from 2 years ago and it still spout without any problems. Number 3. Cat Lady's Cat Grass Kit. Give your cat the gift of healthy digestion with our all-in-one cat grass kit. It's a delicious and natural way to help them manage hairballs. This blend of oat, barley, rye, and wheatgrass seeds is packed with fiber. It's a tasty treat your cat will love. The charming ceramic planter is the perfect addition to any home. It's both functional and stylish, keeping your cat happy and your house looking great. Watch it sprout in just 4 to 7 days. Simple instructions are included, so even beginners can grow lush, healthy cat grass. It keeps your cat from nibbling on your houseplants. Enjoy the best of both worlds, a healthy cat and beautiful home. The kit contains everything you need: a ceramic planter, soil disc, seeds, and easy-to-follow instructions. Just add water. What we like? It features an adorable ceramic planter that adds a touch of style to your home. The organic seeds provide a healthy snack for your cat. If you're looking for a stylish and functional cat grass kit, this one is perfect for you. Number 2. Cat Lady's Cat Grass Kit. Give your furry friend the gift of healthy digestion and a tasty treat. This organic cat grass kit is easy to grow and packed with nutrients. It's a blend of wheatgrass, oat, barley, and rye, providing essential fiber for hairball control. Your cat will love this delicious and healthy addition to their diet. Simply add a soil disc, water, and seeds. Watch it sprout in just 4 to 7 days. No gardening experience needed. It's organic, GMO-free, and deters cats from eating toxic household plants. It's a win-win for both you and your feline companion. The attractive wooden planter complements any home decor. It's the perfect gift for cat lovers and a great way to add a touch of green to your space. The kit contains a beautiful wooden planter, soil discs, seeds, and easy-to-follow instructions. Everything you need to get started is right here. What we like? This kit includes a charming rustic wooden planter that complements any home decor. The organic seeds are easy to grow, even for beginners. If you appreciate a touch of rustic charm and want an easy-to-grow option, this kit is ideal. What people say? The wood smells amazing and aromatic, the soil is good quality, and the whole process was simple as could be. The non-GMO blend of wheat, oats, rye, and barley ensures a healthy and safe treat for your pets. What really stands out is how incredibly easy and exciting it is to plant the grass. From start to finish, the process is straightforward, making it a fun activity for both you and your furry companions. The wooden planter adds a touch of rustic charm to your home decor, blending seamlessly with any style. Number 1. Cat Lady's Cat Grass Kit. Give your furry friend the gift of healthy digestion and a tasty treat. This complete kit makes growing fresh, organic cat grass simple and fun. It's 100% organic, chemical-free, and packed with fiber. This blend of wheatgrass, oat, barley, and rye provides essential nutrients. Simply add a soil disc, water, and seeds. Watch it sprout in just 4 to 7 days. Detailed instructions are included. It helps prevent hairballs, aids digestion, and deters cats from eating toxic household plants. It's a win-win for everyone. This attractive rustic wood planter complements any home decor. It's the perfect gift for cat lovers. The kit includes a rustic wood planter, soil discs, organic seeds, and easy-to-follow instructions. Everything you need to get started. What we like? It boasts a beautiful rustic wooden planter that adds a touch of natural elegance to your home. The organic seeds are simple to grow, resulting in a healthy and delicious treat for your cat. If you value both aesthetics and ease of use, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? The wood smells amazing and aromatic, the soil is good quality, and the whole process was simple as could be. The non-GMO blend of wheat, oats, rye, and barley ensures a healthy and safe treat for your pets. What really stands out is how incredibly easy and exciting it is to plant the grass. From start to finish, the process is straightforward, making it a fun activity for both you and your furry companions. The wooden planter adds a touch of rustic charm to your home decor, blending seamlessly with any style. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.